What is up, everybody? Okay, so the winners for the competition, thank you for entering. It wasn't a massive one, but I'm really happy that something came of it. Um, we're going to have three winners. Uh, and how you can get a hold of me is you can go into my info, and you'll see there I've enabled view email address, and then just give me an email on that address. And then from there, just to verify you, what I'll do is I'll ask you, give me one of your where you post images, or if you have an account anywhere else, and you can send me a DM from there onto one of mine, and I can give you those brushes, or we'll find a way. It's not a big deal. Damn it, Margaret! Look at what you've done. Look at what you've done. All this complication. All right, guys. Have a wicked weekend. We'll do some more videos of brushes and how to use them. If you don't know, let me know as well. The three winners are user PayWorld. Thank you for entering. That is pretty cool. A Golmofo Stone. Golmof Stone. Golmof Stone. Thank you for entering, my friend. And Boosted Tofu. What names? I love it. So just hit me up in the email, and we'll get you sorted. All right. It's beautiful, it really is, and have a really lovely weekend. All right. See you later.